Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see y'all here again. If you are very new, don't forget to click subscribe, but let me tell you what we're about to get into. So today I'm going to be doing some kind of jumbo Marley twists, and this is what I'm working with. So I went and got the Rasta Marley hair. And this is Kanekalan hair, and I am excited about this. So I'm trying to make them long and big, like big and long, and we'll see how this works. So it comes with two chunks, and I got about 6 bags. So I'm not sure if I'll be using all those bags, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough to get the desired look. And so this is in the color 1B, and these packs were about $6 or $7 each. So yeah, so we'll see how they work out. Okay, so to moisturize my hair, I will be using my own Shea Butter Moisture that I made. It is still in the same form. I had made this. It smells so good, and it has mango butter in it. It is so delicious smelling. So I'm going to use this to make sure my ends are hydrated, and that they tuck into the Marley twist too. Okay, I am back, and I have split my hair up into sections to make this style go easier and quicker. And I left my edges out so that I can lay them at the end, you know. And so I did a couple of these just to see how they would look and how much hair I wanted to use. So these have about 3 strands. The hair comes like this. So it's almost like they have it like separated into pieces. And so I used 3 pieces for the bottom 2. And then I used 4 for this one. And I think I'm just gonna go with the 3 because I think that's gonna be full enough. And then let me just take this down so you can see how big the parts are. So this is how big the parts are. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me see if I can just show you on the edge real quick how I will be doing these. Let me roll this back up. Okay. So you're gonna take about 3 pieces, and I stagger them so that I can have it just a little bit longer. So like that, and then let me get closer so you can see. So you treat like I've been starting off like a braid, so just like you're doing it individual and braid like normal for a couple times because you don't want it to slip. Like maybe 4 times. Or 5. Okay, and then I'm just gonna start twisting. Just sliding down a little bit. Put a clip on your hair if it starts to feel like it's pulling too much, and it stops it. Okay guys, I'm back and I have most of my head done. I'm going to show you guys another time how to do these Marley twists. Basically, you want to straddle the Marley hair around your natural hair. So hair on each side, and then you're going to use your own hair as a braiding piece, as the third braiding hair. So start braiding. I would braid maybe 4 times depending on how secure you feel like it is. And then once you're done braiding, you're going to actually separate your hair into 2 pieces so that each side can be even. And then you're going to just go ahead and start twisting. So now I am done with my hair. It's nice and full, exactly the way I wanted it. I just need to lay these edges because they are not on fleek at all. So this is what the end result looks like. Very shiny, and it matches my hair like so good. So I'm really happy with the results. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how long the twists actually are and how full they look with me standing up. They are butt length and they are just so precious. I love them. I'm gonna hook it up and flex one time.